Hi. Today we will cover an exciting topic in the Pine script. What if I want to draw a line from the left side of the visible chart to the right side of the visible chart? Yes, this is possible in the Pine script very quickly. Imagine if we wanted to draw a straight line from this leftmost candle on the chart to this rightmost candle on the currently visible chart. There are many candles on further left and right side, but we don't want them. We just want to cover this much visible portion of the screen only. Let's see how to do that. This is an indicator function with the name, draw a line from the left to the right side of the visible chart. Then I used two inbuilt variables called chart.leftVisibleBarTime and chart.rightVisibleBarTime. These two variables provide us with the time of the leftmost and rightmost candles on the visible chart in front of us. Then using these two variables as coordinates, I have drawn a line. Here, the x-lock attribute is set to vlock.barTime. Let's add this indicator to the chart and see the magic. As you can see, right now this green line is drawn from the leftmost candle on the visible chart to the rightmost candle on the visible chart. If I extend and make the chart longer, the line then gets extended to the most right and left candles on the visible chart. Similarly, if I extend the chart on the right side also, the same thing happens. As the visible chart gets expanded or contracted, the line adjusts itself and stays within the boundary of the visibility. I hope you have learned something new today. Thanks for watching.